What's the meaning of Coast Guard? Coast Guard. Coast Guard.
Coast Guard. Coast Guard. The term Coast Guard refers to an organization or group of individuals responsible for patrolling and protecting the coastal waters of a country or region. The primary duties of Coast Guards typically involve search and rescue operations, maritime law enforcement, and maritime security. They may also work to prevent pollution and protect marine habitats. Coast Guards often operate in conjunction with other agencies, such as the Navy, and may have access to specialized equipment and training. Ultimately, their goal is to ensure the safety and security of mariners and coastal communities.